Hello and namaskaram. Welcome to all the beautiful and gorgeous ladies to today's live session of Varamahalakshmi Silks. Ladies, I'm back again with another gorgeous set of sarees for you. I hope you missed me because I missed you too. And today's collection is going to be all about beautiful Kanchipattu sarees but bridal collection. Exclusive bridal Kanchipattu sarees brought to you by Varamahalakshmi Silks, ladies. All you have to do is sit back, enjoy and book lots and lots of sarees from today's episode because I love showing you all beautiful Kanchipattu sarees. So sit back and also don't forget to drop your favorite saree colors in the comment section below so I know which saree color you're looking for and I can help you shop from Varamahalakshmi Silks. So let's start with today's episode and I'll show you the saree I'm wearing first. As you can see, it's a beautiful gold and pink color combination here. I have all over floral design, floral jal work on the body with a beautiful leaf jal design on the border as well. It's a beautiful pink color. Really nice sari, ladies. It's a pure Kanchipattu sari. I really like the material as well. Let me also show you the beautiful pallu, which has a beautiful floral brocade work along with drop buttis here. We have zigzag lines and buttis as well, all in golden zari. And this beautiful blouse is very nice. It's a self blouse. It has a nice golden shade to this sari. So if you wish to purchase my beautiful color, make sure you take a screenshot very quickly and send it on to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002, ladies. Without wasting any further time, I'll start today's episode. Let's see our first sari. I see a very beautiful green color here, ladies. Not to mention a very important point. We have our stores in Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. So please make sure you visit your nearest VML store to experience an exclusive variety of sarees. Or you can do a very convenient video call service on our WhatsApp number, which is 8900010002. Waiting for your comments, ladies, onto the comment section below. Let's see our first saree. I have a very beautiful green and pink color here. And it has a beautiful design and all these sarees are very beautiful, ladies. The design, the patterns, all with different colors. Let's see our green saree now. Let me show you the body first. It's a beautiful green and pink color. On the body we have floral buttis here in cross checks. And we have peacocks and elephants on the border. Very beautiful pink in color. Let's see the pallu, ladies. Here we have beautiful circles here in cross lines. And this beautiful sari has a contrasting blouse which is also pink in color. It's simple and elegant, ladies, but these saris make you look amazing. These are the pride of South India and very beautiful bridal saris today. All Kanchipattu saris, this beautiful green and pink sari. Let me show you all the details now. Just take a screenshot and the item code of this sari is BU398 and the offer price is 14,080 rupees, which is only valid for 24 hours. So please make sure you send a screenshot onto our WhatsApp number, which is 8900010002. Hope you ladies are enjoying because I love showing you all beautiful Kanchipattu sarees. Let's see our next one. This is quite similar to the saree I'm wearing, ladies. It's a beautiful color. Let me show you all the body first. It's a beautiful green and pink color. And here as well we have floral buttis. And we have very nice heavy leaves and floral jal on the body. It's a beautiful tissue sari. Let's see the border. We also have cross lines with peacocks. Wow, ladies, such a gorgeous border. Very elegant and beautiful at the same time. On the pallu we also have floral jal here. Wow, in golden zari with cross lines. And we have a beautiful contrasting blouse to this sari, which is also pink in color. A beautiful bridal sari for you. To purchase it, all you have to do is quickly take a screenshot. And the item code for this sari is BU397 and the offer price is 15,999 only, which is only valid for 24 hours. So please make sure you purchase it and send it on to our WhatsApp number, which is 8900010002. Bhaksika ma'am, a very warm welcome to you. Very warm welcome. You can book your sarees from today's episode and I'm so glad you're here. We have beautiful colors. If you're looking for a specific color, please drop it in the comment section below. I would love to show you your favorite saree. Let's see our next color. It's a beautiful green. Very beautiful, ladies. Let's see this body first. We have a green and maroon color here, and on the body we have floral sleeves jal with birds and zari. Such beautiful birds, ladies. These are very nice, cute little birds on the body we can see here. And we have paisley work, as you can recognize by the pattern on the border. Let's see the pallu. It's a beautiful brocade pallu, nice in golden zari, along with a beautiful contrasting blouse, which is a nice deep red. We also have diamond drop butties on it. Very beautiful and elegant. A gorgeous sari. I really like the birds detailing, ladies. It will make you look really nice, and these small things really catch your attention when you wear such saris. So all you have to do is quickly take a screenshot, and the item code for this sari is BU391, and the offer price is 15,199. A very warm welcome to Ranjini ma'am. I will definitely show you a peach sari, ma'am. Don't worry, today's collection has different colors, different pattern, but please make sure you stay tuned till the end of this episode, because your favorite peach sari is yet to come. Our next color is also very beautiful. It's a very nice and fresh color. Let's see this one. Wow, very nice on the palette, very beautiful. A very nice fashionable color. On the body we see here floral booties, we have circles here, we have floral design in zari, and we have diamonds with floral jal on the border. It's a blue color border. Pallu has cross lines, very beautiful and elegant cross lines pallu. And this sari has a contrasting blouse. Once again, ladies, I really like this color. It's more of a turquoise color. Very beautiful and elegant, and these are for ladies who prefer light shades on the palette and sophisticated colors which make you look really beautiful, and these are beautiful bridal kanchipattu saris. So let's see the details for this one. Item code is BU376. Offer price is only 15,999. Beautiful sari, ladies. Make sure you avail it before the offers expire. Kia ma'am, thank you so much for your wonderful compliment. These beautiful compliments only make our day, and I'm so glad you're here. Please make sure you make it till the end of today's episode to book your favorite sari, and I would love to deliver your favorite color to you through Varamahalakshmi Silks. Let's see our next one. It's a beautiful color coming up once again. A nice pink color border, ladies. Very beautiful and elegant. Wow, elegant and beautiful. Now the pattern on the body is really unique. Let me show you. Sea green and pink. It's more of a pista color, ladies. On the body we have leaf butties in zari, and this is exclusively for Dana Suresh ma'am, as she's looking for a sari like this. It's a beautiful color. On the border we have diamonds and floral jal here, as you can see, with peacocks as well. Very beautiful pink color. Let's see our pallu. We have cross lines on the pallu, and the blouse is a contrasting one. Dana Suresh ma'am, this is exactly the color you're looking for, and I'm so glad this beautiful sari attracted you. So please make sure you quickly take a screenshot, and I'll show you the details for the sari. Item code for this sari is BU359, and the offer price is 26,624. Neelima ma'am is also here, and she's complimenting us for the beautiful saris. I'm so glad you're here, ma'am. Thank you so much for your beautiful compliment. I hope you make it till today's episode, because we have different colors and patterns awaiting you. So stay tuned. Let's see our next color. Wow, very attractive once again, ladies. Very bright, and it's a pure bridal color. Let's see the body first. We have orange and purple. On the body we have florals in leaf butties and zari work. Very nice, ladies. This color is very bright and contrasting. It's more of a Fanta color, I would say, and we have a nice border with cross lines and floral butties. Pallu is a brocade worked pallu. Very nice color. And we have a contrasting blouse to this sari. Very beautiful color, ladies. Very bright, very nice. Let's see the details. It's very simple step which you need to follow, ladies. Just take a screenshot, and our executives are all here to help you with the further details. Let's see the item code. BU378 and the offer price is 14,080 rupees. Thank you so much, Anupriya Singh ma'am. I'm so glad you're here, and a beautiful blue sari is yet awaiting you, so stay tuned. Next sari coming up is blue in fact, so please make sure you have your eyes on this one. A nice, beautiful blue color. Nice navy blue, ladies, to be specific. It's a navy blue sari along with pink, and we have peacocks, floral buttis and zari, and boxes on the body. Elephants and florals on the border, and we have diamonds and cross checks here on the pallu. This beautiful navy blue sari, ladies, it has a nice bright contrasting blouse to balance the look of the sari, which is very, very elegant. It's a very nice festive color sari, ladies. You can wear this for a festival or a wedding for sure, because these are beautiful bridal kanchi pattu saris. You can gift it to anyone. And for beautiful brides who are watching this live, make sure you have your eyes on these beautiful saris. Let's see the details to purchase this gorgeous sari. Item code is BS55 and the offer price is 16,499. Now ladies, please note that these beautiful saris are pure kanchi pattu, and they are all hand woven, and they are very, very pure and elegant. They are the pride of South India. So you don't have to worry and question the quality, because all of them are really amazing. Let's see our next color. Very, very beautiful. It's a white coming up, and I really love this color, ladies. This border makes the sari look really, really elegant and gorgeous. Let's see our next one. Such a gorgeous color combination coming up. Make sure you book your saris, ladies, because we are all here to help you. If you have any specific colors that you're looking for, please drop it in the comment section below. I'm all here to help you. As I told you, I'm really fond of this color on the border. It makes it very, very elegant and lovely. Let's see the body. It's white and sea green. We have floral buttis and zari with cross lines on the body. And a beautiful temple design with diamonds on the border. This sari also has a very beautiful pallu, ladies, which I'd like to show you all. It's so nice. Look at this color. It's so fascinating. I'm really lost when someone wears this color, ladies. It's so beautiful and elegant. It's a nice combination. And as you can see, we have peacocks here. We also have zigzag lines. It's a beautiful, beautiful pallu. And I'll show you all the blouse, which is a self blouse, because I love this color. Even the blouse will make you look really, really nice, ladies. Silver zari work, gorgeous sari. My favorite sari from today's episode. To purchase it, all you have to do is quickly take a screenshot, and the item code is BU356, and the offer price is 24,749. Now these saris are only valid for 24 hours, so please make sure you avail these offers, because we would love to deliver your desired sari at your doorstep. And please make sure you visit your nearest VML store. Also, ladies, it's very important that you follow us on our digital platforms, that is Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. And if you don't know how to do that, very simple steps to follow, I'll show you how.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts. Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
Pure bridal sari coming up. I want you ladies to have your eyes on this one. It's gorgeous, very, very beautiful. Wow, really nice, ladies. On the body of this sari we have paisley buttis and cross checks, and this is a red and mustard color sari. On the border we have diamonds. We have floral jal as well, and a beautiful floral brocade worked pallu with a contrasting blouse. Very nice and elegant. This is more of a lighter shade of blouse, ladies, and it's very, very elegant. Beautiful sari. Let's see the details. Item code for this sari is BAU388, and the offer price is only 13,200. Valid for 24 hours. Make sure you avail it. Shweta ma'am, yes, I will surely look into your favorite colors, which are pink and black, and I'll show you the saris. Please make sure you make it till the end, because we have very, very beautiful collection today. Let's see our next one. We have a lovely pink color along with yellow. Wow. Two beautiful bright colors, contrasting but making a perfect sari. Let's see the body. We have florals and leaves jal and zari, and we also have peacocks in boxes here along with diamonds. It's a beautiful pink color on the border. Cute detailing, ladies, which gives you the perfect look of the sari with zigzag lines here on the pallu. And this beautiful, beautiful yellow and pink color sari has a contrasting blouse which is also pink. Nice color, very bright, and this is more of a universal color, ladies, tends to suit everyone, and it's a very safe color. So if you're looking for a sari for someone which you have to gift, this is a perfect color, and it's a pure Kanchipattu sari, so you don't have to worry. I'll show you the details to purchase this one. Item code is BU382 and the offer price is 31,350. Valid for 24 hours. Make sure you avail it before they expire. Any specific colors that you're looking for, any design, any pattern, anything you're looking for, ladies, I'm all here to help you. Please drop it in the comment section below. We can also have a nice chat and do lots of shopping together. Let's see our next one. A lovely green. Wow, beautiful color, ladies. As soon as I put it on, I felt it. It's really beautiful. The green color Kanchipattu sari. On the body we have florals and leaves jal. We also have birds here and diamonds with floral jal on the border. Pallu has floral buttis and cross checks. And this beautiful green color Kanchipattu sari has a self blouse, and it's a beautiful color, ladies. It's such a gorgeous color. For all the beautiful brides who are looking for a pure Kanchipattu bridal sari, this is the one. It's my favorite. And Anupriya ma'am, you're so sweet. Your comments and your emoticons really make our day. It makes us feel so nice. Thank you so much. Make it till the end of the live, and please select your favorite sari. Let's see the details of this gorgeous green color. Item code is BU375. Offer price is 29,999 only. Valid for 24 hours. Make sure you avail it. Dana ma'am, exactly what I'm telling you. It's a very beautiful green color, and I hope you ladies have your eyes on this one last time. Let's see our next color as well. Also, make sure you send a screenshot onto our WhatsApp number, which is 8900010002. Any specific color pattern, I'm all here. Drop it in the comment section below. And also, do visit our stores, ladies. We have our stores in Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Let's see our next color. Lovely, lovely pink. Floral buttis and zari as well we have on the body, and cross lines with floral jal on the border. Pallu has a beautiful brocade design which is all in golden zari, ladies. It's very, very nice sari. And this beautiful pink color has a self blouse which will also enhance the look, ladies. So beautiful and elegant. I saw one of the comments of one of you beautiful ladies who was searching for a pink and black color. This is one such beautiful pink sari which is very, very nice. Let's see the details. Item code BT683 and the offer price is 15,749. Thank you so much, Divya ma'am, for your compliment. Really made my day. And I hope you found your favorite sari from today's episode. If not, we yet have so many saris, so please make sure you make it till the end. Next color. Again, a very, very bridal combination, which is red and golden and very, very nice. Let me show you the body first. Gold and red color, ladies, a classic combination of a bridal pattu sari. We have florals and leaves jal. It's a pure tissue work here on the body, which you can see. We also have floral jal on the border. And we have a beautiful brocade pallu, all in golden zari, as you can see. This beautiful sari also has a contrasting blouse which has a really nice shade of both the colors. It's totally completing your look, ladies. It's tissue Kanchipattu. It has so many beautiful colors, a pure bridal sari for you. Just take a screenshot along with the item code details of the sari, which are BU408, and the offer price is 37,499, which is only valid for 24 hours. So please make sure you avail it before it expires. Thank you so much, Dipti ma'am, for your beautiful emoticon. These beautiful comments make our day, and I hope you found your sari. If not, we yet have so many colors for you. Let's see and make it till the end. Let's see our next color, a beautiful blue for you. Wow, very nice. Let's see the body. As you can see, we have a heavy floral jal work on the body happening, which is very, very beautiful. It's a nice blue color. And the border, which has peacocks here along with zigzag lines, very, very beautiful and elegant. It also has a plain design here with so many curvy lines. Let me also show you all the pallu, which has beautiful peacocks here along with so many beautiful designs here, all in golden zari brocade work at the same time. And this beautiful blue color has a self blouse, which is really nice and elegant. Such a beautiful sari, ladies. Let's see the details of the sari. Taking a screenshot. Item code of the sari is BU393 and the offer price is only 14,399. Ladies, such a beautiful offer and such a gorgeous color. Please make sure you avail it before it expires and send it on to our WhatsApp number, which is 8900010002. Our next color is a very much in trend color, and please make sure you have your eyes on this one. It's more of a mauve color, which is very much in fashion here. Let's see it. Along with a golden shade as well, just completing the look. Let me show you the body first. It's a golden lavender shade, mauve color. On the body we have floral buttis here, we have cross checks as well, and we have floral jal work on the border. Pallu of the sari has a beautiful floral brocade design, as you can see, all in golden zari. And this beautiful lavender color has a self blouse, which is so elegant, ladies. This color is so beautiful. I cannot stop talking about how gorgeous this will look when somebody wears this. All you have to do to book this sari is quickly take a screenshot. I'll show you the item code details, which are BU409, and the offer price is 37,499. Now these offers are only valid for 24 hours, ladies, so I don't want you to miss this, nor Varamahalakshmi wants you to miss these offers. So please make sure you avail them before they expire and send it onto our WhatsApp number, which is 8900010002. Any queries, any questions, you can drop it in the comment section below, or our executives are all up on our WhatsApp number. You have any specific color urgently that you're looking for, please ping it onto our WhatsApp. Next color is also beautiful green. It's a nice green and peach color, and we have floral buttis here. We have cross checks on the body along with floral jal and diamonds. Border is very beautiful peach color, a dark peach color, I would say. Pallu has cross lines, and this beautiful contrasting blouse, which is a very nice bright color. It's going really well with green. Now to book this sari, ladies, very simple and easy steps that you need to follow. Quickly take a screenshot along with the item code, which is BU400. Offer price is only 23,999, which is valid for 24 hours. And I'm so glad one of my favorite viewers, Abhilasha ma'am, is here. And hello Abhilasha ma'am, I'm doing very well. Thank you so much. Hope you're doing well too. I'm so excited you're here. Please make sure you book your favorite sari from today's episode and send it quickly onto our WhatsApp number. Let's see our next color. Any queries, any colors you're looking for, ladies, please drop it in the comment section below. I'm more than welcome to help you with your colors. Let's see the body. It's silver and purple. We have floral sun leaves jal on the body with beautiful leaves jal along with florals in cross lines on the border. Pallu, as you can see, ladies, we have beautiful paisley jal, paisley buttis, and we also have cross checks. And this beautiful color, which is so elegant, has a self blouse. This is also a very unique color, ladies, for brides. And if you're looking for a different, not so cliche color, this is one of them. Very beautiful and elegant. I'll show you all the details so you can book this sari. Item code is BU386, and it's a very reasonable price for this sari, which is 14,399. Valid only for 24 hours. So please make sure you avail them and send it on to our WhatsApp number, which is 8900010002. Thank you so much for the compliment, Abhilasha ma'am. Please make it till the end. I'll show you all beautiful, your favorite sari from today's episode. Let's see this color. Gold and sea green is the color combination, ladies. On the body we have floral buttis in cross checks. It's a very unique color. It's a nice gold creamish color, light on the body. Very nice. We also have floral jal work on the border. We also have cross lines, ladies, as you can see. And a beautiful floral brocade work on the pallu. And this beautiful, beautiful green color sari has a contrasting blouse which has 2 shades of this beautiful sari, giving it a perfect balanced look. Once again, let me show you all the details. Item code BU405, offer price is only 22,499. Valid for 24 hours, so please make sure you avail it before it expires. Now ladies, Kanchipattu saris are very, very beautiful and elegant. They give you the perfect look. And for all the South Indians who are watching this live, I know Kanchipattu saris are so close to our hearts because they are purely about heritage culture and Indian South Indian culture and the pride of South India, as I always tell you. So these are pure Kanchipattu saris with different patterns and colors, brought to you by Varamahalakshmi Silks, ladies. You can totally trust our brand with the quality and the service because we love to deliver amazing quality saris to our dear customers. So please make sure you avail these beautiful offers before 24 hours and select your favorite sari from today's episode. We are all here to help you in case any queries are there onto our WhatsApp number or this beautiful comment section here so we can have a chat. Let's see our next color. Body of the sari first. We have a red color here. We have floral sun leaves jal and we also have elephants with buttis and floral jal on the bottom. Pallu has brocade work and we have a beautiful self blouse with this sari which is very nice and gorgeous. To book this sari you have to quickly take a screenshot and the item code is BU377, offer price 26,249. Offers are only valid for 24 hours as I already told you, so please avail it and send it on to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Let's see this beautiful color which is here. I really like the body, it's very unique. It's all over geometrical shapes. It's a unique sari and this is a sea green Kanchipattu sari. We have cross lines, we have zigzag lines, we also have peacocks here. We have floral jal work. And a beautiful brocade pallu with a lot of golden zari. Blouse is elegant and beautiful. Self blouse. I really like this color, ladies. It's very nice. We also have a beautiful checks design which I can see on the blouse, which is unique, and this saree is all about geometrical shapes and everything, and it's a unique combination. So please make sure you take it. It's a nice sea green color. Item code is BU399. Offer price 37,499. Now ladies, I see that you beautiful ladies are only watching today's live but not commenting, and I'm here to help you. We can do lots and lots of shopping together, so please make sure if you have any colors, drop it in the comment section below, or any doubts, any queries, you can totally talk to me. Kritya Kada is all here. Let's see this color. As you can see, the first thing I see is a lot of paisley butties on the body. It's a beautiful pink color with paisley butties, and we have floral jal with cross lines here on the border. Pallu has a beautiful floral brocade work. And this beautiful sari also has a lovely self blouse. It's also in the same shade. Details of the sari are: item code is BU374. Offer price is only 13,599. It's a very reasonable sari, ladies, only valid for 24 hours. All you have to do is quickly take a screenshot and send it on to our WhatsApp number, which is 8900010002. Hope you ladies are enjoying today's episode, and please make it till the end because we have beautiful colors yet awaiting you. Let's see our next color. Lovely beautiful sari for you. I'll show you the body first. We have gold and royal blue combination, and it's a pure tissue sari. We have floral butties in tissue with peacocks here. We also have florals in boxes. As you can see, we have circles and we have a peacock inside that. Very beautiful border with a brocade worked pallu. And this blouse is a beautiful self blouse. Really nice and elegant, ladies. It's a gorgeous sari, very much in trend, as I would say, and it's a pure Kanchipattu bridal sari. Item code is BU387. Offer price, very surprisingly, is only 11,440. It's such a reasonable price for a beautiful, beautiful pure Kanchipattu saree, all hand woven. So please make sure you avail it and send it on to our WhatsApp number, which is 8900010002. Hope you beautiful ladies are enjoying, and please make sure you watch it till the end. I have a very, very beautiful color coming up here. On the body first, it's a red and green color mixed saree, and we have floral booties and cross checks on the body with beautiful florals in boxes here on the border. We also have peacocks, we have cross lines, and a brocade worked pallu, which is all in golden zari. And the blouse of this saree is a contrasting blouse, which is also red in color. Let me show you all the details so you can purchase this beautiful saree. Item code of this saree is BU390. Offer price is 16,499. Valid for 24 hours, so please make sure you avail it and send it on to our WhatsApp number, which is 8900010002. Also, ladies, it's very important that you gorgeous faces follow us on our digital platforms, that is Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. And if you don't know how to follow us, please make sure you watch this and I'll show you how.
నమస్తే, నేను మీ సంగీత. నేను ఇక్కడ వరమహాలక్ష్మికి వచ్చాను. వచ్చి ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ అంతా చాలా బాగుంది, బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేశాను. మీరు కూడా ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ చూడాలంటే ప్లీజ్ లాగ్ ఆన్ టు Kanchi BML Silks in Facebook, Insta and also on YouTube. And you can shop online freely, peacefully. And if you want to go in person, the shops are located in Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
Wasn't that easy, ladies? I hope you all followed that, and I would love to thank Thakkar Jyoti ma'am for her beautiful compliment to our brand. Thank you so much, ma'am, and I'm so glad you're here. Please make sure you follow us and book your sari from today's episode, because it's all about beautiful Kanchipattu sarees. And thank you so much for appreciating us. Let's see this color. A really lovely green color for you. On the body of this saree, we have florals and leaves jal here. It's all a beautiful green and pink color with beautiful boxes here with floral design, as you can see on the border, also in green color, and diamonds here with kaddi design, which is extremely gorgeous, ladies, and nice pallu for you. And we have a contrasting blouse, which is also lovely. It's pink color, and it's a very reasonable saree, ladies. You guys will be surprised to see the price of the saree, because it's a beautiful color. Item code is BU369. Offers price is only 10,560. Quite reasonable for a beautiful Kanchipattu saree. Please make sure you avail it before it expires. A very warm welcome to Chameli ma'am. Thank you so much, and hope you are liking today's episode. Please book your saree from today's episode. Let's see this one. A very rich and modern saree. On the body, we have a beautiful pink color with floral booties and zari checks, and we have cross lines with floral jal here. Pallu has a beautiful floral brocade work, and this saree has a self blouse, which is also pink in color. Details of the saree are very beautiful. Item code is BU379, and the offer price is only 16,499. Valid for 24 hours. Make sure you avail it before it expires. We would love to deliver your desired saree at your doorstep. We offer cash on delivery in Hyderabad and shipping globally. Let's see our next color, a beautiful bridal color, which is red and gold. Let's see the body first. We have florals, paisleys and cross lines with zari, and very nice peacocks here with boxes and cross lines on the border. Pallu is a beautiful brocade pallu, and a really nice self blouse to this saree. Elegant and beautiful, ladies. Let me show you all the details. Hope you are enjoying. Item code is BU367. Very reasonable price, which is 13,599. Valid for 24 hours. Please make sure you avail it and send it on to our WhatsApp number, which is 8900010002. Today's collection is all about beautiful bridal Kanchipattu sarees, ladies. Make sure you see all the colors, designs and patterns, and if any saree interests you, please take a screenshot and send it on to our WhatsApp number, which is 8900010002. Any specific color, pattern, design you're looking for, please drop it in the comment section below so we can do lots and lots of shopping together. Let's see our next color. A lovely, lovely green. Two greens here, one light, one dark. Let's see the body. We have beautiful peacocks and floral jal on the body. And border has peacocks, floral jal, cross lines. Pallu has floral brocade work. And we have a contrasting blouse which has two shades of green. It's more of a peacock color to the blouse. Details, all you have to do is quickly take a screenshot. Item code is BU380 and the offer price is 13,200 only. Dana Suresh ma'am, the item code which you have mentioned in the comment section below, you have to send it on to our WhatsApp number so we know which saree you have selected and we will show you the saree there. You can also call us and you can see the saree through video call service and book your saree. Please mention the same item code onto our WhatsApp number once again, which is 8900010002. Let's see this beautiful unique saree which has already caught my attention. Such a unique saree. Look at the body, ladies. It's so exciting. We have white and maroon here. Let me show you all the body first. Wow, ladies, it's very eye-catchy. It's a cheetah design on the body and floral jal with diamonds here. Pallu has floral brocade work. And the blouse is a contrasting blouse. It's a very, very unique saree, ladies, and ladies who really like to experiment with their look. This is one such saree which will totally give you so much appreciation because it's such a beautiful saree. Look at this. Just quickly take a screenshot. Item code is BU404. Offer price is 32,999 only. Valid for 24 hours. Make sure you avail it before it expires. We have a beautiful green color coming up for you, which is really nice. It's a parrot green color Kanchipattu saree. On the body we have florals, peacocks, horses and drop buttis in checks. And diamonds is cross lines with the border. It's a lovely pink. We also have cross lines on the pallu, ladies. Look at the pallu. And a contrasting blouse which is also pink in color. Let me show you all the details to purchase this gorgeous color. Item code is BU372. Offer price is 28,874. Offers are only valid for 24 hours. Make sure you avail them. Hope you beautiful ladies are enjoying today's episode, and if you have any color that you're looking for, please drop it in the comment section below. I'll show you your favorite color. Let's see this one. More on the lighter shade of the palette. It's a beige and pink color saree. On the body we have floral jal, leaves jal and leaf buttis as well, with cross lines and peacocks on the border, and a beautiful brocade pallu. We have a very nice contrasting blouse to this saree, which is pink in color, really nice and bright, and the item code is BU370. Offer price is only 16,500, valid for 24 hours. I'm so glad one of my most another favorite viewers, that is Jhansi Rani ma'am, is here, and I'm so glad that you are giving me such a nice compliment. Thank you so much. The brand really appreciates it, ma'am, and please make sure you select your favorite saree from today's episode because we would love to deliver your favorite saree to you. Let's see this one. A lovely bridal saree, I would say. It's a very, very nice color. We have green and red. We have a pure tissue saree with cross lines and floral buttis on the body. Look at the material, ladies. It's pure tissue. We also have peacocks here. We have boxes. We have cross lines. And a pallu, which is a brocade worked pallu. And the blouse of this saree is a nice contrasting blouse. Since all these beautiful Kanchipattu sarees look really nice with a contrasting blouse, More on the golden side. Details are very reasonable sari ladies. Item code is BU381. Offer price is 15,999 only. Gorgeous colors, gorgeous patterns brought to you by Varamahalakshmi Silks. Any color, any specific design you're looking for, we are all here, or you can WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 8900010002. More on the lighter color, very unique. A lovely grey color border I have here. It's gold rust with grey. Floral booties and curvy checks on the body. And diamonds with florals and lines on the border. Pallu is a brocade pallu. And we have a lovely looking contrasting blouse with this sari. More of a grey color. Nice color, very beautiful, two colors combined, looking exactly perfect on the balance. Item code is BU389 and the offer price is 20,625. Let me show you all this beautiful sari once again, ladies. It's very nice. Take a screenshot and send it. Let's see our next beautiful color coming up. This is more on the brighter side of the palette. On the body we have a floral buttis in zari. It's a nice peach color. We also have peacocks with cross lines here on the border. And the pallu is excellent. It's a brocade pallu with golden zari. And this sari has a self blouse. Beautiful sari, beautiful color, nice peach color. Details of the sari are BU402 is the item code and the offer price is 16,500 only. Let's see our next gorgeous color, which is a nice green coming up for you ladies. Green color border. It's a beautiful pink and sea green, and we have florals, peacocks and paisleys here on the body in checks. We also have peacocks, elephants here. As you can see, we have circles. It's a beautiful sea green color border. And even the pallu is very nice. It's a brocade worked pallu, all in golden zari. We also have a contrasting blouse to this sari. Elegant and beautiful. Very beautiful color combination, ladies. It's more of a new color and the body is really unique. Let me show you all the details. Item code is BU395. Offer price is 18,749. Our next color is also very beautiful. It's one of my favorite colors, a nice light pink. On the body of the sari, first I'd like to show you all a heavy floral jal work which I can see. With diamonds, peacocks and elephants and boxes as well on the border. Pallu is a brocade pallu. Such a beautiful rich color. And we have a self blouse. This is all in silver zari, ladies, giving you a very elegant look. Let me show you all the details of the sari. Item code is BU392. Offer price 18,749. Next color is also extremely beautiful. It's very bridal. It's a nice golden color. Let me show you the body first. A nice beige golden combination. We have floral sun leaves jal. We also have floral jal on the border with cross lines here, as you can see. And we have pallu, which is a floral brocaded pallu. We have a self blouse, ladies. Since this is a very gorgeous and bridal color, many brides who prefer a lighter shade on the sari. It's a nice beige golden color combination. Details are also very elegant and beautiful. Item code is BU395 and repeating the item code BU394. Offer price 23,925. A beautiful color once again, ladies, beige and golden. Let's see our next color. Hope you ladies enjoying today's episode all about beautiful bridal Kanchipattu sarees. Our beautiful color coming up is a really nice two combinations of one light, one dark. We have peach and blue. On the body we have floral sun leaves jal. We also have birds, and on the border we see peacocks here with beautiful brocade pallu. And I have a lovely looking contrasting blouse which is elegant and beautiful, a nice dark color. Let me also show you all the details of the sari. Item code is BQ517. Offer price is 18,749. Ladies, it's very important that you follow us on our digital platforms, that is Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. And if you don't know how to do that, I'll quickly show you how to do it.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
Hope you ladies followed that. I have a very exciting grey color coming up for you. A really nice sari, ladies. Let me show you the body first. I have heavy floral jal work on the body with beautiful zigzag lines and peacocks on the border. And we have a brocaded worked pallu all in silver zari with a beautiful self blouse. It's also in grey color. Details of the sari are item code BU384 and the offer price is 13,599. A beautiful color coming up, more similar to the one I am wearing, ladies. Very nice bridal color. Let me show you all the body first. Floral sun leaves jal, and we have a pure tissue work here. It's a golden pink color sari. On the border we have cross lines and florals here with huge floral booties and cross lines on the pallu. Blouse is really beautiful, ladies. It's a self blouse. So beautiful and elegant. Let me also show you all the details of the sari. Item code is BU396 and the offer price is 11,999 only, which is only valid for 24 hours. So please make sure you avail it before it expires. We yet have beautiful colors awaiting you, ladies, so don't go anywhere and don't worry. And let's see our next beautiful color, more of a very bridal sari. All about today's collection. Body first, we have floral sun leaves jal in tissue and a lovely border which has cross lines here. Even the pallu is really elegant, ladies. We have floral jal and cross lines on the pallu and a lovely looking contrasting blouse. Let me also show you the details to purchase this beautiful sari. Quickly take a screenshot. Item code is BU407, offer price 22,499. Now the next sari which is coming up, ladies, is for those ladies who prefer bold combinations and bold colors, and this is a quite heavy sari. 3 colors I can see here. First, on the body we have beige and peach along with pink and navy blue. Florals and leaf booties on the body with beautiful peacocks and florals in tissue. Pallu has a floral brocade work along with the contrasting blouse. Very nice and elegant. Beautiful sari. Let's see the details. Taking a screenshot, BT176 item code, offer price 14,080. Valid for 24 hours. We are waiting for your screenshots on our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. Beautiful color here, more of a bridal color once again. Heavy floral jal work on the body. Golden red color. We also have birds in zari here, extremely beautiful birds. We have diamonds and floral jal on the border. And pallu has zigzag lines along with floral booties. Blouse is a beautiful self blouse, a nice red color, and the details are item code is BU406 and the offer price is 29,999 only, which is only valid for 24 hours. A beautiful color. We also have beautiful birds in silver zari. Our next sari is again a dark color. I'm showing you combinations, ladies. So much variety, one light, one dark. Let's see this one. Very elegant and beautiful. On to the body first. As you can see, a beautiful circular design. We also have circle booties inside of them. Very nice curvy checks. We also have dollars here. It's a violet and grey combination, very unique. We have cross lines on the border. and the pallu has brocade work with golden zari. Let me also show you the contrasting blouse, which is a lighter shade, very nice and elegant. Details of the sari are, item code is BU403, offer price 23,925. Let's see our next gorgeous color, which is again beautiful green and pink. More on the lighter shade. On the body of the sari first, we have very nice and elegant floral butties and cross checks. It's a pure tissue sari. We have peacocks here on the border, pink in color, and a beautiful brocade pallu with a contrasting blouse. Let me also show you the details of this beautiful sari. Taking a screenshot, item code BU383, offer price 15,999 only. Very beautiful color coming up, ladies. It's our last sari for today, but it's a pure Kanchipattu bridal sari. Look at this color. Wow, very elegant. All the brides watching this live, a lovely red color border, gold and red color sari, floral sun leaves jal, tissue on the body, cross lines and floral jal with peacocks on the border, and a lovely brocade pallu. Blouse is a contrasting blouse, ladies, giving a shade of gold and red. And also the item code, which is taking a screenshot to purchase this beautiful sari, BU385, offer price 23,100 only. Beautiful saris only valid for 24 hours, ladies. So please make sure you avail these beautiful saris before they expire and send it onto our WhatsApp number, which is 8900010002. I'll show you all the details of my sari as well, ladies, so you can quickly take a screenshot. If you want to purchase my sari, and the item code and prices will be mentioned. Also, ladies, it's very important that you know how these beautiful saris look when they are draped on you and how they look. So I'll show you the mannequins. Let's see the mannequins. Let's see this beautiful blue color sari along with silver zari. On the body we have leaves, buttis, as you can see, beautiful leaf buttis along with silver lines and floral jal on the border, brocade work on the pallu, and a lovely contrasting blouse. I'll also show you the item code, which is BU401, offer price is 17,249. Sending a screenshot very quickly onto our WhatsApp number, which is 8900010002. Moving on to our next beautiful color, which is a lovely peach color, light peach color, very nice and elegant. Look at this sari, ladies. Have a look at this one. We have floral buttis in zari along with cross lines on the border. We have lovely looking floral brocade pallu with self blouse, a very nice peach color. And all you have to do is quickly take a screenshot along with the item code, which is BR276, and the offer price is 16,499. Now these offers are only valid for 24 hours, so please make sure you avail them before they expire. Seeking blessings from the goddess herself, ladies. Moving on to our next color, a very unique lilac color sari. On the body we have floral buttis and curvy shapes and cross lines with floral buttis on the border. Pallu is a brocade pallu. This is more of a dark lilac color, ladies, going on to a purple shade, and we have a contrasting blouse. Details of the sari are, item code is BS39 and the offer price is 20,999 only, valid for 24 hours. Make sure you avail it before it expires. Make sure you also visit us at road number 56, Jubilee Hills, ladies, Varamahalakshmi Silk Store, to book your favorite sari and see them physically. Our last sari for today is a beautiful green color Kanchipattu sari, bridal sari. On the body we have floral sun leaves jal, and detailing on the border is very beautiful. We have peacocks and circles, we have elephants, we also have nice looking cross lines, and pallu which has diamonds and cross lines as well. We have a nice looking self blouse, ladies, because it's a beautiful green color, very nice and elegant. You can wear this anywhere. Let's see the details to purchase this sari. Taking a screenshot, item code is BU371, offer price is only 23,945. Ladies, one last thing before going is my sari. If you wish to purchase my sari, I would love to show you all the details. So it's very easy for you to purchase my sari. I'll show you all the item code along with the pricing details, because many of you wanted to know the code for my sari, because I think you really liked it. So please make sure. I'll show you it by the end of this live. And that's it for today's episode, ladies. Hope you enjoyed today's episode, and I will be back tomorrow with another gorgeous set of saris. And until then, I hope you miss me, because I'll miss you too. And stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Kritya Kara signing off. Namaskaram.
నమస్తే, నేను మీ సంగీత. నేను ఇక్కడ వరమహాలక్ష్మికి వచ్చి ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ అంతా చాలా బాగుంది, బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేశాను. మీరు కూడా ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ చూడాలంటే ప్లీజ్ లాగ్ ఆన్ టు Kanchi VML Silks in Facebook, Insta, and also on YouTube. And you can shop online freely, peacefully. And if you want to go in person, the shops are located in Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Andhra.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.